Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a 2011 Subaru Outback 4-cylinder. You want to know where your thermostat is at? It resides right, here's your lower radiator hose. It actually goes right there. There's 2 bolts. I've already got the hose loose, so I'm going to pull it out. You can see the housing has 2 bolts, one here and one here. Some people take the exhaust down. I just went straight. You have to feel your way or use a mirror, where there are 2 separate bolts, and you pull it out. Then the thermostat itself will be sitting in the engine like this, and the gasket is going to hold it in. Once you get that done and you put it all back together, you're going to fill the coolant completely up as much as you can. Jack the car up on both sides of the tires. You want to fill it up at the highest point of the car, so you're going to raise the radiator up. It's going to be higher than the heater core. And then all that's going to do is going to push the air all the way out into the atmosphere to get your vehicle from overheating. While you're doing that, you're going to have the engine running, turn your heat on full blast, wait till the temp gets all the way up to normal temperature in the middle, or whatever it is your car does for the temperature. Continue filling up your vehicle due to the fact that the thermostat opens up at, let's see, this is a brand new one. Let's see what this one says. This one's at 185. Once it opens up, it actually goes around into the engine and fills itself up there. Once you do that, put the radiator cap completely back on the vehicle itself. Continue letting the car run for about 5 to 10 minutes. You should start feeling a lot of good heat. Lower the car, and then you can go about your business and top off the reservoir. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Please leave positive comments and positive input. We all like to learn. Thank you.